Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about clays, additives, and much more. To begin, we'll start with our clays. So, I have a variety of clays that I use here, and I use them on different things, not just the soap. So we have Bentonite Clay, we have Rhassoul Clay, we have Rose Clay, and I'll show you with the Rose Clay. I used it with titanium dioxide, which is used to whiten your soap. So I was making some rose clay soaps, and the soap batter was so yellow and olivey looking, so I added some to it. And what it did was, this is these two guys, the titanium dioxide with the rose clay turned my soap into this soft, like very pale pinkish color. So if you wanted to get an understanding of what it would do. But if I used the rose clay by itself, I would have had like this darker pink color, right? Then we have French green clay, and I did the same thing. I used titanium dioxide on my oil base, and then I used the French green clay as an additive, and it turned the clay like this pale whitish greenish color. So, and I made these soaps about a couple of weeks ago, so they've been curing for a while. And then we have the activated charcoal. These are all of, oh, and also the natural Kaolin Clay, not in the frame, in the frame now. So you can see these are the basic clays that you can work with. And then you have, like I said, the titanium dioxide that can brighten and whiten your soap batter. And if you wanted to exfoliate, you have, I got this from the Dollar Tree, at Epsom Salt in lavender. It makes the soaps naturally smell like lavender, so you wouldn't have to use a fragrance oil. And then you have fine pink Himalayan salt, which will create like a softer exfoliation. And this one I use for body scrubs. I got this from Walmart. It's the normal grained Epsom salt. You can actually put this in a blender and refine it yourself, or you can use a grinder to do it. And then lastly, we have little flowers. As you're doing your designs, you might want to add flowers. I'm going to do my best to put these in the frame. I got all of these from Amazon, and they're dry flowers. So that is it for our additives, clays, and more. I'll get into more details as we're making the soaps, but that's pretty much it if you're thinking about adding what to add to your soap. There's so much more you can add. You can add coconut milk, goat's milk, so much more. So it's up to you, but we're starting simple. See you later, guys.